Oh, I can already tell there's bugs. Oh, it's got that smell. That smelly smells. It smells. Blech. A little bit of fan spin. Get out of here. All right, we got a good motherboard. I guess we're gonna update and see what happens. There was a problem with the update. Something went wrong. Is that a torn pad? C6T43. Yeah, that whole thing is gone. Oh, look at that. 0.85. I like that one. That's our one. Did that work? Switch over to the HDMI. We get picture. Something went wrong. It's not good. System offline update. Sure is taking a long time. Oh no, beep on, beep off. What happened? Try it again. Haven't done anything. Not doing anything. Okay, I'll just start disconnecting stuff. We'll check the test points. Let's keep checking. No short on the 12 volt. Okay, let's check our standby voltages. Ground here, and there's 1.8, 1.8, 1.3. It's like a 1.1, 3.3, 5.0. And where is that 12? 12 right here. And we got 12, so we're getting all the voltages. Check the thermal. And the thermal has the APU hot. Can we see anything else getting hot? Yeah, I don't see anything getting hot. Let's try powering it on. This little area is getting hot. What is that? Right around here. Let's see if I can get closer. Got a light. Right there. What is that? U5D4. Let's unplug power. U5D4. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it just died all of a sudden, but I'll show you what I'm finding. That little chip that was getting hot, that was the U5D4, which is just about right here. The capacitor right next to it, C5D5, shorted. Check the test pad for the 3.3, shorted. So I mean, everything on that 3.3 is shorted. I don't know what to do. I'm not skilled enough yet. I'm gonna probably check around on board view, but I think this is a no fix. It's so sad because it was just working. It was just right there. Very disappointed. So when I look on to board view, here's that U5D4. See, it goes there to that resistor. This capacitor takes you over to the APU. This little resistor. These resistors. This capacitor. That's the side that the C5D5 capacitor is shorted on. This side right here is the same size as that side. What do? Do I just start taking off components? Holy moly. Could it be this thing? Q4B3? How do you even check that? It's a little bit above my pay grade. Q4B3 might be the issue. Or it goes to these two pads, I assume. VP3, VP, or 3V3. Okay, well I guess we'll just start at the top, yeah? Let's take this guy off. Q4B3. Get the microscope going. Right there, Q4B3. So we got a short right there. Nothing there. Nothing there. That honestly might just be ground. But in the board view, it doesn't say ground. It is blue. Does that mean ground? Yeah, I think blue is ground, so that might be fine actually. How about C5D11, which is C5D11 is gone? Or is it just where it's supposed to? That's ground. Nothing. Let me look at the other board. C5D11, there's nothing on there, okay. Let's check here. Wait. I don't think blue is ground. I think blue is just what corresponds to TDP5 test point 5D1 here. That's to ground. Continuity to ground. Alright, let me see. But in or on my other board that I have handy, that's not shorted to ground. So does that mean all those components that I was checking to ground that aren't supposed to be shorted to ground? Oh gosh, so confusing. Let's check Q4B3 on the other board, on the donor board, to ground. Nothing. C4B5. No. Okay. So then, yeah, let's start from the top and work our way down. Let's start with these guys first. No ground. Yes, ground. Yes, ground. No ground. Is that a capacitor? Is that what the C means? I'll start with that one first. Okay, let me get my tweezers. It's gonna be the best way. Hot air. You know what? Let me rotate the board. Let me get my board holder. Get this power supply out the way. Okay. Let's give it a shot. 480. Let's check for shorts. Yep. Still shorted. Let's check for shorts again. Yep. Still shorted. All right. Let's put that back in place and keep going. Let's clean up and we'll find out where we're going next. Okay, back over to the board view. We got this resistor right here. R4C26. Is there supposed to be something there? Let me look at the other board. No, there's not anything there. So we'll leave that alone. Check here, C5D11. C5D11. Checking on the other board. No component there. So we can leave that one alone. How about R5D9? And we do have a component. Let's check for a short. Yes. So let's slide him up or down, doesn't really matter. Let's just break the circuit. See if we can resolve that short. Do we still have a short? Yes, we do. So that's not it. Let's put you back. What's next? It would be this capacitor, C5D5. Right there. Yep, it's got a short. But when I was using my thermal camera, this chip was for sure the thing that got hot. Here we go. Is the short still there? Yes, it is. Is the capacitor shorted? No, it's not. This is our next suspect right here. All right, this one scares me. I might leave that one for last. Let's see. We also got R5D11 right here. That's shorting. Yeah, still short. So that's not it. It's just so crazy how this was working and then it just died. I don't get it. U5, D4. If that's not the issue, it's gonna be this APU, I think. I mean, I can try to reflow it, but I can't do anything about this. If this last one doesn't do anything, I mean, it's game over. Okay, here we go. U5, D4. All right, best for last. Gonna have any luck? Still shorting. Man. It has to be the APU. I mean, it has to be, right? Okay. I'm gonna have to call it quits there. It's getting late. Kids are getting hungry. I gotta go check on the farm. That's a letdown. I think it's a no fix, y'all. Well, I gave it my best shot. I think I'm defeated. I don't understand it. We have all the standby voltages, the 12, the 5, the 3.3, the 1.8, the 1.3. It's just on that test pad, TP5D1. That's where the short's coming from, or where the short's around, all the components are shorted, and I don't know what else it could be. It's got to be the CPU. It is what it is. Bummer. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. Really appreciate you guys watching. If you did enjoy it, please drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.